how we can pass an HTML file without the use of Beautifulsoup. So the concept is to make the things easier. In the Beautifulsoup, we cannot use the xpath. So many people like to use xpath to pass an HTML file. So for this video, I will use Scrapy Selector in order to parse the HTML content. So first of all, let's get started. First of all, I will import from Scrapy.selector, import selector. From Scrapy.selector, import selector. And then I will, for saving the output data, I will use pandas, import pandas as PD. Let's open this file with open. I will open in reading mode and then as encoding as UBF int. Now I will save this content as a response text. Now this variable is reading the HTML content. Now what I will do is pass this object in the Scrapy selector to convert it into a proper HTML so that we can further parse it. Let's save it into response full Scrapy selector and then pass this response text variable. Now it has converted it into a selector. Now let's move on to the HTML file, and here we can see that we have some bank's details, the license number, the heading, the title, and the link to that bank, and then address, and finally we have some cities. Okay, so first of all, what I will do is to find the selector of this car. So once I click here and then click into this, I can see that the info is saved with an article. Each article is separated. Okay, so how I will use, how I will take the X part of this is copy this content and paste it here. Now, if you are familiar with XPath, this will be easy for you. But if you're not familiar with this XPath, I would suggest you to first of all go through the XPath tutorial and then watch this video. Now I will select this tag and then all tags. For all tags, we will use double slashes and then all article tags. As there are 130 total articles, so you can clearly see that it is selecting it properly. So let's copy this XPath and go to our script and let's save this into our matches. What I will do is use this response folder dot XPath and then pass this XPath variable. And then, so this is matching all the articles. So, but as you know, we have to, first of all, we will select this heading, this title. So I want to extract all the titles from this. So what I will do is run a for loop into this. For match in matches. Title is equal to match dot XPath. Now you can see that we can use an XPath to extract all the info. Dot get. So let's take the title, XPath of this title. And now once I select here and click on this title, we can see that this title is saved within a tag within H3. So I will select here, I will select the H3 tag. And you can see there are 113 articles, right? So it is selecting it properly. But the text is within a tag. I will grab all the text from it. As I said, if you are familiar with XPath, this will be very easy for you. Let's use this XPath. So as you know, we already have this XPath in Magic. So what I will do is only use the later part within my variable. So here I will use that dot. Okay. Then I will extract the link of this title in a similar way, but for the title, I will use href. Now, let's move forward and save this data in a dictionary. Let's create first of all, create a list, empty list, and then after each iteration, we will save this data into this list. For that, I will create a dictionary. I will create like this, my list dot append. I will append this data in on each iteration. So I want to say title as title. So I'm creating a dictionary of these variables, and then length is equal to this length. So now what it will do is it will append on each iteration, it will append title and the link into that list variable. Now let's print this my list after for loop and see if we are on the right track. And then at the end, I will print the length of the list. It should be 113 as we have 113 cards or articles. Let me run the script. Python dsp.py. So let's see, throw some error, value error, xpath error, invalid expression. So I see here I forgot to put the backslash. Okay. So now let's run it again. Yeah, we have 113. Length of list is 113, and we can see that we have all the data is printing in the right format. So now I will convert this into an Excel. So how we can do that? We will use the pandas library for that. Ts is equal to ed dot. I will create a data frame from my list, and now I will convert this data frame into an Excel file. You can also convert it to CSV or whatever format you like, but I will convert this into Excel. Now I'll index is equal to false so that it won't show me the index number. Now after saving the file, I'll run it again and let's see if we get something. Amazing. We have an Excel file with this data. As you can see, this is very neat and clean way to parse the HTML file. So similarly, you can add other attributes, other variables into this and print the output and save that data into an Excel file. But for the demonstration of the video and make the video shorter, just to clear the concept instead of wasting time in the tutorial, I just make your concept clear. Now you can add other variables such as phone, address, and license number and others for practice. So this was everything for this video. I hope everything is now clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video.